Today I will show you how to connect the GoodWe inverter to our BSL battery. Combine the live wire of the electric meter and the live wire of the power grid, and connect them to the L port of the grid of the inverter. Combine the neutral line of the meter and the neutral line of the power grid, and connect them to the N port of the grid of the inverter. Next, connect the CT to the live wire of the power grid, and make the arrow point toward the direction of the power coming. Connect the inverter meter port to the communication port of the electricity meter. Connect the load live wire to the L port of backup, and the load neutral wire to the N port of backup. Connect the power line of the battery to the inverter. Connect the battery and inverter's positive terminal. And then connect the battery and inverter's negative terminal. Connect the GoodWe's Wi-Fi module. Connect the inverter BMS wire to the battery's CAN port. Switch the DIP to 1. After all circuits are checked without problems, turn on the battery switch. Connect one end of the communication cable to the battery RS-232 and the other end to the computer's USB interface. Open the host computer software. Open Serial and start monitor. Enter the password at user to gain permission. The password is 123,456. Click System Setting and click Read in Inverter Protocol Setting. Select CAN protocol as GoodWe, then click Write. After writing, you can click Read to check whether the writing is successful. Now the CAN protocol is selected as GoodWe and the writing is successful. Open the GoodWe's app, search GoodWe's Wi-Fi and connect. Search GoodWe's Wi-Fi and connect. The password is 123456778, then refresh. Select the corresponding device in the device list. On the main interface of GoodWe app, wait for the data reading completed, and then you can view the various data and function settings of the inverter. BMS status displays normal. Then perform charging and discharging settings. Click More below. Click Basic Setting, enter password GoodWe 2010, and log in. Safety code, select your corresponding country. In the next step, switch working mode to economic mode. Next, select the battery model. Choose the default, Lithium 100Ah. The next step, the meter test. Because we have completed the connection without problem, choose to exit. Return to the main interface. You can see that the battery is discharging to the load. The power is 3.53 kilowatts. If you need to charge the battery, click More below, click Basic Setting, enter the password GoodWe 2010 and log in. Click Next, enter Economic Mode. Choose Battery Power Group 4, click Battery Mode, and switch Charge to Discharge. Here you can select other working modes according to your own demands. For example, use Backup mode to force charge, and use Off-Grid mode to force discharge. The process of connecting the GoodWe inverter and our BSL battery is completed. For more videos, you can follow our channel. Welcome to watch.